You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this brand name correctly. Yes, indeed, because everybody virtually, at least in English, pronounces it incorrectly or mispronounces it. So let's break it down. In English, the pronunciation of this brand of watches from Japan is as Casio. Yes, so if you've been saying it Casio, that's fine. That's correct pronunciation in English. But in Japanese, the pronunciation, they say it more as Casio. Casio. And that's a bit of an S sound that is right in between an S sound and a sh sound. So it's not exactly Casio. It's not exactly Casio. It's right in between. Casio. Casio is how the Japanese say it. Can you hear the difference? Casio? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? How do you pronounce it? Casio? Casio? Or can you pronounce it Casio correctly? Let me know. Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.